The statewide and nationwide demand for programmers, software engineers, mobile app developers, AI specialists, computer game designers, cybersecurity experts, and other information technology professionals is booming with thousands of high-paying jobs available and no drop-off in sight. Welcome to the Department of Computer Science, where we offer degree programs that will prepare you for career opportunities in all of these ever-changing and high-demand industries. Whatever your field of interest is, you will take your classes in cutting-edge computer labs, designing for high-performance computing and innovation. The highlight is our entertainment computing lab equipped with next-gen hardware, including high-speed computers with the latest in graphics cards, professional-grade development and sound editing software, video production tools, 3D modeling technology, and more. Many of our graduates have honed their skills in our labs and launched careers at major companies like USAA, Raytheon, IBM, Microsoft, Exxon, and Salesforce, while others have started their own computer gaming companies. Our programs also specialize in helping you gain practical experience outside the classroom and computer lab. You will have opportunities for paid internships at our state of Texas data center and our award-winning regional security operations center, as well as in our IT department and with off-campus companies and agencies. You can also work part-time in our computer labs or IT department and assist with our summer coding and cybersecurity camps. Interested in cybersecurity? Angelo State has been designated the Center of Academic Excellence in Cyber Defense by the National Security Agency, ensuring you gain the skills that top employers demand. We are also launching a cybersecurity research and workforce development program funded by the U.S. Department of Defense to expand internship opportunities and prepare students to lead the future of cybersecurity. On top of all that, you can earn certificates in computer game development, web and mobile development, data science, and cybersecurity technologies without taking extra classes. Just complete a specific 4 course blocks within your degree plan for each one. These additional credentials can give you a decisive edge when applying for jobs or for graduate school. Ready to get started? Explore our website or reach out to your admission counselor now. We are ready to welcome you into the RAM family.